Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick video on what oil you should use in a 2009 to 2015 common rail Volkswagen TDI. The short and simple answer is that you need to look for something that has the Volkswagen 507 specification. The VW 507 spec is important for being low ash to make sure that the emission system doesn't have any issues. I go with Liqui-Moly because I can get it through FCP Oil, and from what I've seen, it just does a great job. Also, it's worth mentioning that FCP Oil, who I get my oil change kits from, does have a lifetime warranty on all that stuff, so you can just pay return shipping and get oil changes for like $15 if you DIY it. On the note of DIYing it, there's a few things that I'm going to link in the description. That is a 32mm shallow socket so that you can get it on top of the oil filter housing, a 36mm because some cars have that. Measure before you buy. An oil vacuum pump so that you can just pump it out right through the dipstick and never have to actually lift the car. And finally, a special funnel that actually attaches right to the oil cap. So, all super cool things, and it makes this a whole lot easier to do. And of course, if you do that, coupled with the FCP Euro lifetime replacement parts, you can save money within like 2 or 3 oil changes. It really is super worthwhile, especially if you have multiple Volkswagens, because pretty much all of them can be serviced from the top these days.